Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the final part of the Basic to Advanced Trading course. And in this video, we are going to discuss more about uh, Armor, how it works, and how you can print money while sitting at your home. And Armor works on any device. It works with a mobile, laptop, and tablet. And that's this is a website called tradingarmor.com. You can install the app on your phone or in your tablet, and you can load Armor on your screen, and you can watch live signals, and you can print money. Okay, you can generate profit. So let's discuss more deeper about the Armor. So I'll start with the settings. Armor automatic TA settings. Okay, so on default, if you reset the settings, it will look like this. It looks like this, but the settings I'm using will look like this. Okay, Armor automatic TA, everything is enabled, but now it's only loaded with a certain settings. Go to inputs, use the exact same settings that I'm using on my screen. Okay, here, just check certain boxes and uncheck certain boxes. Click OK, then you are good to go. And the rest of the settings will work just like I explained in the previous videos, right? In my previous part, the part 2, I explained how these straps works, how this orange and blue line works, but how these automatic patterns are drawn or, when you load the Armor on different time frames. Look, see, patterns will load automatically. Just let me show you. Look, broken. That's the wedge, broken to the downside. And look at this. Here, you will see different patterns when you go to different time frames. So let's load 2 hours. We'll see more accurate patterns. And look, that's also a wedge which is broken downside, and it was showing a bear bull trap. The orange line means bull trap, and then boom, crash. See? So let's dig deeper. So that's the second indicator called as ultra instinct. Beautiful signals. I just use the same settings I'm using. Easy. Okay. Pause the video and use the exact same settings on your screen. And then let's move on to the final indicator, which is Armor. No need to do anything else. Just disable the bar coloring if you don't want the custom if you don't want the default bar coloring like this. You'll see bar colors like this. Just disable it and you will get natural colors from TradingView. Okay, click OK, and that's it, pretty much it. And one last thing that I want to explain in this video is these entry signals. See, entry signals are so much accurate. So anti-signal means you can buy if price hits certain support level. Just like here, just like you draw a line here, okay? It hits the support. So just like here, it hits the support, printed the buy signal. If you get the buy signal and the entry signal together, that means it will go up. And then after certain price bump, you will see long risk high. Long risk high means it will drop. And if you pay close attention, you will notice the bull trap also. Okay, and then when the color changes, the scalper change the color, more dump. Okay, easy. And entry signals are very accurate, guys. Very accurate if you know how to use it well. So also divergences. There are divergences. So if candles are going to the different direction than the scalper, that means it's a divergence. So candle is making lower low, scalper is making high high. That means it's a bullish. Bullish, it means go up. Similarly, let me show you bearish divergence. So candles are making high high, going higher than the previous zone, previous price higher, and then scalper is making lower low. That's called bearish divergence, means price goes down after it changes the color. So there are so many things about the armor. Just let me show you something very interesting. Okay, divergences, divergence cheat sheet. So that's divergence cheat sheet. So open. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Very informative. Okay. So I was talking about this one and this one. Regular divergence, just like I show you. Regular bearish divergence when price goes down. It's like this. Price goes down. That's a regular bearish divergence. And irregular bullish divergence, just like I show you. Price make lower low. Scalper makes higher high. Price goes up. See, easy. So you'll notice different patterns. Like here, it's a hidden bearish divergence when price makes lower low and higher high on the scalper. It's a hidden divergence, and the extra gated divergence when you see double top and double bottoms on the candles, and you make a different higher lows and high highs and lower lows. On scalper, you will see extravagated divergences on bearish and bullish side. So it's easy to understand. Just pay attention to your charts, candles, and scalper. You will get a lot of information. Okay, just I'll put a link to this chart, and you can download it. Divergence cheat sheet. I'll put link on the description, and use it on your when you trade. Okay, when you buy or sell, just use it wisely. So that's pretty much it about the scalper and the automatic PA. It works great. Okay, no need to be panic, no need to ask anyone. Look, what will happen if I disable all? You don't have armor anymore. You don't have it. Which group you go, where you find, you go on Facebook, you go on like Twitter, find inaccurate signals when and then you start trading. Okay, and then you will ask, any human, and humans, humans makes mistakes, but software does not makes mistake. Artificial intelligence never makes mistakes. So just for your peace of mind, load armor on your screen, get the accurate signals, and start trading. That's it for now. See you guys.